My name is Shayna. I came in just this past Saturday to look at cars, and I was actually looking for something else, and I came across the GLS, and I took it out for a test drive with Nick and fell in love. And like after that, nothing else compared, and I knew it was it secretly, but I think you already could tell. So after that, I came back. I took it over the weekend, had a little chance to kind of get a little more familiar with it, which is awesome because it gave me more time to kind of dig in and check out the features. And after that, the next day, spoke with Nick and we made a deal. So very excited. So ultimately I came in looking for a family vehicle. I have two little ones, 5 years old, and I wanted something that had a 7th seat. I wasn't really familiar with the full lineup of different SUVs that Mercedes carries. I knew that I wanted to come in looking at the GLEs and the GLBs. And after kind of discussing with him what my options were, we landed on this. And like I said, right then and there, I kind of knew that this was the perfect vehicle for myself and my family. So checked all the boxes. My father is a loyalist. He bought his cars here and he has nothing but great things to say about it. So when I told him I was kind of in the market looking for something, he made sure that I came here, and this was kind of my first stop. So just the customer service that you get here is kind of top notch. And I mean, from my first experience walking in the door, everyone that I spoke with kind of made me feel welcome and treated me just very well. So it's been a great experience. I would definitely recommend Feldmann Imports. They treat you great. They treat you like family, and all of the extra services and all of the extra things that you get, from the servicing to the airport shuttles, definitely the way to go. This wasn't even on my list when I came in, and once I found it, it was it. My name is Shayna, and I just purchased a GLS 450.